I don't hate dogs, I'm just scared of them. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christelle. So today we're gonna talk about me. Just for those who doesn't know me, I'm actually new on YouTube and it's my first video. So I decided to introduce myself and to let you know what my YouTube channel is gonna be about. First of all, it's gonna be about hair. So I do hair. I'm gonna upload videos on hairstyles and teach you some couple of how to do it in other words. So I to better do this introduction, I decided to choose 10 random questions and basically answer them. So I have it on paper here. So we're gonna start from the beginning. From the beginning, the first question is, where are you from? Where am I from? I'm from Cameroon, originally from Cameroon. I was born and raised there, I would say. I came here when I was 11, so basically I'm in Canada now. So I came in Canada when I was 11 with my family. The second question is, do you prefer cats or dogs? My preference would be cats because cats are more quiet, and even though they're so clingy, but they're quiet. Dogs, they are nice. They're nice, don't get me wrong, they're really nice. It depends on which kind of dog. Me personally, I don't hate dogs, I'm just scared of them most of the time. The third question is drum roll guys, is what is the best thing that have what is the best thing that happened to me during the past week? The best thing that happened to me during the past week is I actually decided to do YouTube. Yeah. Decided to join this family. So I always watch YouTube. Pranks, the best. It's always funny, comedy, all that, you name it. So doing YouTube was always in my mind, but I just wanted to wait until I move out because I actually live with my families now. But then last week I was just oh, okay, if I keep on waiting, probably I will never do it anyway. So why not just jump into it? So yeah, this is what I'm doing. Yes. The fourth question is, what are some of your long-term goals? What are some of my long-term goals? It will be, one of my long-term goals will be building buildings. It actually sounded weird. Building buildings in my country. So this is one of them, do a business in my country. Hopefully it's gonna work out for the best for me. So wish me luck guys. The fifth question is, what did you have for dinner last night? What did you have for dinner last night? I don't really remember, but I think I had plantain with sauce and chicken, or was it fish? I think plantain and sauce. That's what I had last night. That's what I had last night for dinner. And the sixth question is, what do you do for a living? What do I do for a living? That's a good question. What I do for a living is, right now I'm currently working for Sephora at a call center, not in the store. So with this corona, we work from home. Yes, I actually like working from home for some days. Anyways, yeah, that's what I'm currently doing right now. I actually finished school last year. I took a year program, which is a legal assistant. So right now I'm also looking for a job in that field. The seventh question is, what's the most useful thing you own? What's the most useful thing I own? I would say my phone. It's really useful. I would say the most useful thing I own is my phone, because it's really important for me to keep in touch with my family back home and know what's going on. When I spend like most of the time not knowing what's going on, I'm just scared and paranoid. So phone will be really important for me. So the eighth question is, what is the first thing you notice about somebody? So the first thing I notice somebody, or when I approach somebody, is the personality, the character. So that's the first thing I notice about somebody when I talk to them. I just look from the distance, and number nine will be, what is your favorite season and why? My favorite season and why? Since I live in Canada, winter is my last favorite season. I would say fall, because fall is really, I don't know if it's just me, but like I like when I see those leaves falling and just change colors. It just as if it was magic, and then it turned into winter, Yeah, that's fall is basically my favorite season. And finally, the last one is, if you had to describe yourself in 5 words, what would it be? So I would say I am kind, open, hardworking, patient. Like patient with me, for me, is really important, because like I don't really like stressing out. When I'm really in the hurry, I will stress out and I will mess up, and I don't like that. So I would just keep calm, be patient, and just be like, in my head I was just singing, it's gonna be all right, it's gonna be okay. So patience is really important for me. And finally will be helpful. I don't know if that's something that would describe myself. Yeah, so the final one I will go with, I like helping people. So yeah, maybe you fall into caring for other people. Anyways, that's the 10 questions and answer that I just did, and I hope you enjoy. For those who want to know who did my hair, I actually did it myself before I actually filmed. I actually was about to film this video. I did it myself and I recorded the tutorial. So I'm gonna upload the tutorial probably on Saturday, not tonight because I'm still editing it. Um, so I love it. I love my hair. It's been a while I haven't done something simple like this. Um, yeah, so I hope you enjoy, and if you still have more questions for me, don't hesitate to comment down below. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and see you next time.